Gonna make some torches tonight as the cabin. So some sticks, split, tied at the bottom so the split doesn't keep going, stuffed with a pine cone, and then we will now doctor those up even further. So now we've stuffed it completely with old man's beard all through it. Maybe a bit more old man's beard than we need, but that's okay. And now you need to soak it completely with the resin from a balsa fir. Remember those little blisters to pop? So these are now soaked with resin, although they probably have way too much old man's beard on them and not enough resin, but we'll light them up tonight and we'll experiment. Get closer to it, girls. I don't think you put enough sap on them.
I put so much on.
Did you? All right, a little bit of extra effort to get the torches lit, but here they go. As I said, I'm pretty sure that we didn't tie it tight enough, but these are really, really bright. Let me back up here.
That was fine.
So one of these is going out, not sure what happened. The other one, burning strong and dripping little flaming balls of napalm.